To those who have joined us all here on a beautiful, clear evening, the conditions contributing to a fantastic... I'm Peter Drury, and joining me here, our expert, Jim Beglin.
Hi everyone, and thanks Peter, it's great to be on board.
Well, it looks like a big game, sounds like a big game, everyone involved joined. You have just missed the kickoff.
Use it.
Not the most accurate pass, and he plays one through. Oh, he's got a sight of goal, and the shot! There it is! And there is your opener!
Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Cruyff, the specialist in tearing teams apart. Costa Curta. Now, can they get him away? Swings in across. Cruyff, looking for options for movement. Oh, he goes for a shot! It's bounced back off the post. Out towards the flank. Van Nistelrooy. Now this real chance! And it's in! Al Hilal back on level terms. Tries to pass it through. Threads one in. Hazard. De Jong shoots! And that's a sharp vision of things overall, you'd have to say. And we'll be back with the second very soon.
Al Hilal can really do with some bigger names standing up here. At times they didn't even look as if they knew what they were doing.
Cruyff, oh, shooting chance! It's from Mario. Cruyff, Messi will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. And that has been not... Oh, what a ball! Takes a shot! Oh, super goal! That is a gem! An absolute gem! They've done it again! It's it! Lovely pass, but can he get there? And he's cleared it out of harm's way. Rui Costa. Rijkaard. And it's Cruyff. Puyol makes the interception. That's really well cleared. And played cross-field, changing the point of attack. Cruyff gets flagged offside. Great vision. He won't be happy with that one.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Ricky Puig. And this is Messi. He is through here. So that means another 30 minutes football. So still inseparable. What do you think? The winner continues.
Number 21, number 19, substitution in progress.
Good running, strong and purposeful. Lovely pass, but can he get there? Lovely. And the shot! Oh, he's done it! Oh, that has... Find a way.
Well, at one stage he was being body checked, Peter, and then the next minute it's in the back of the net. That's wonderful striking.
And when the manager... And Messi! Oh, that's a foul, and the whistle's gone.
Disappointing, very deliberate and cynical as it comes.
This one.
We could be looking at a game-changing moment.
Messi! What a save by Diogo Costa! De Jong! De Jong! And that really should have been that.
And that reaction says it all. They had a real chance to tighten the screw there, and it's been blown.
No way through.
I'd like to ask you to
Has been an epic encounter, and there are some tired limbs out there. How much more can the players give? And he's lost his... It's Drogba! And it's Messi. In by Messi. And that's the keeper's ball. Messi. And that is it. A real high...